Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks for coming back. Today I'm just taking you along for a set I did. It actually took a couple days, so I'm just doing a little voiceover. It's one of those videos where I didn't think I was going to make a video, but I'm going to make a video just to show. These actually were a 3-day process. I did 2 coats of this pretty pink color, and I did those on the first day. And after I finished this, I'm like, I don't really remember the direction that I was heading. I lost inspiration, I guess you could say, after I did this color. And so I'm like, just looking through all my other colors, and I found this really pretty red Beatles color. It sparkles, and it's beautiful, and I love it. So I thought I would go over my 2 coats of pink and use that. But, that's sometimes what happens. So I did 2 of the fingers with the sparkles, and then I found another red, just an opaque red, and I painted the other 3 nails with that. And I think I'm just doing another coat on the full glitter nails. And then on these nails where I put the solid color, I am actually going to put some chrome powder on it. So I'm actually going to wipe that off and put on a layer of top coat so my chrome powder has something to stick to. And it gets the lovely chrome effect and not the glittery effect. So I am rubbing it on, and I am realizing I just did a boo-boo here. I used the wrong side of my applicator, and that side had gold. I'd used it for gold, so yeah, I'm going to have to clean that off with a little alcohol and start that again. But I'm just going to... So now I'm just going to put on a layer of base coat. So I'm putting a layer of base coat on there just to seal in that chrome powder. Chrome has a tend to chip off or wear off on the sides. So when you put on that base coat, that's going to seal it in. And just make sure you get all the edges and to cap your edges. So I'm almost done here. I'm just going to work on, for a couple of the nails, I am going to do a French tip, and I'm also going to make some little teeny tiny hearts out of this red cat eye polish. And sorry, I'm going out of frame here, it seems. These hearts are really small. Anyways, I decided to do these little hearts because chrome powder is very finicky. It will show every mistake or imperfection on your nail. And after I did the chrome powder, I realized that I do have a couple imperfections. So I am using these little hearts to cover them up. I mean, perfect. Nobody's going to know. And they go with our theme. I do find it hard to get the cat eye effect to pop on these little hearts because for whatever reason, either because they were too small or because I had put so much polish on, I made the hearts raised. But it was kind of hard to get the cat eye effect to come out on these, but I made it work. it looks cute. So I think that's why I'm taking some extra time here to do those hearts. Taken forever, it seems. Oh my. So I do a couple on the pointer finger, and I put a couple on the pinky finger here. And it's cute. And I think after this, I might be all done. After I put on a top coat, that is. We'll see. I can't remember. Oh, now I'm doing the French tip on this finger here. And I'm using that same glitter polish that I used on the ring finger and the thumb. And I'm just quickly doing a French tip. Perfect. I'm going to put those under to cure. And yeah. Next is the top coat, and then we are all done. So this set really didn't take a long time. The second hand surely didn't. Oh, look what I'm watching in the background. Sorry about that. I'm watching the President Trump's speech there. I won't get into that because that's politics, but I'm curious to what my friends in America think of that. I thought it was an interesting speech. Okay, yeah, I am all done. And here is the final look. And here they are. I think they're sparkly and cute. And I think they turned out pretty cute for not knowing what direction I was going in or not knowing what I was actually going to do. These were done over 3 days. Like a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit the next day. Yeah, so I'm happy with them. They're cute. Let me know what you guys think. That was me waving bye. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I would love that. And until the next video, bye friends.